3 Astonishing proves that Vybz Kartel is dating Spice. There has been ongoing speculation and rumors over the years suggesting that Vybz Kartel, the recently incarcerated dancehall superstar, is romantically involved with fellow dancehall artist Spice. These rumors are largely based on their undeniable chemistry, frequent collaborations, and suggestive lyrics in their music. However, despite the public's fascination with the idea of them being a couple, there is little concrete evidence to support the claim that Vybz Kartel and Spice have ever dated. Let's explore the elements that have fueled these speculations. 1. Collaborations and chemistry. One of the main reasons people believe Vybz Kartel and Spice might be dating is their strong professional connection. Their 2009 collaboration, Romping Shop, was a massive hit, and its explicit nature left many fans wondering if the chemistry between the two artists extended beyond the recording studio. The song's lyrics were highly suggestive, painting a picture of an intimate relationship between them. The steamy track, coupled with their playful interactions in the song's music video, added fuel to the dating rumors. Their undeniable chemistry on stage also kept the rumors alive. Whether performing together or engaging in public conversations, Vybz Kartel and Spice have always maintained a close, flirtatious rapport. In interviews and social media exchanges, they have often joked about their dynamic, leading many fans to believe there might be more than just a professional relationship between them. 2. Social media teasing. Both Vybz Kartel and Spice have a knack for teasing their fans through social media. Kartel, even while in prison, remains active on social media and has, on numerous occasions, praised Spice for her talents, beauty, and success. Spice, known for her bold and unapologetic personality, has also played into these rumors by sharing cryptic messages and posts that have led to further speculation about a possible relationship with Kartel. For instance, in 2020, Vybz Kartel commented on one of Spice's Instagram posts with a heart-eyed emoji, which many interpreted as a flirtatious gesture. Spice responded playfully, sparking even more rumors that the two were romantically involved. These kinds of public exchanges have kept the narrative of their alleged relationship alive, even without any concrete proof. 3. Professional loyalty. Another aspect that has led to rumors of their romantic involvement is the unwavering loyalty and support that both Vybz Kartel and Spice have shown each other throughout their careers. Spice has often credited Kartel for helping her career take off, especially after the success of Romping Shop. She has consistently referred to him as a mentor and someone who played a pivotal role in shaping her sound and style in the dancehall genre. On the flip side, Vybz Kartel has always been vocal about his admiration for Spice, praising her as the queen of dancehall and applauding her achievements. Their mutual respect and frequent praise for one another have further blurred the lines between a professional partnership and a potential romantic connection. Despite the rumors and speculation, there has never been any concrete evidence to suggest that Vybz Kartel and Spice are, or ever were, dating. Both artists have consistently downplayed any romantic involvement, often emphasizing that their relationship is strictly professional and rooted in mutual respect for each other's talents. Spice, in particular, has addressed these rumors in interviews, insisting that her connection with Kartel is purely professional. In conclusion, while there are many factors that have fueled the belief that Vybz Kartel and Spice might be dating, such as their undeniable chemistry, public flirtations, and strong professional bond, there is no definitive proof to confirm these rumors. Their relationship seems to be built on mutual respect and admiration for each other's contributions to dancehall music, with much of the speculation likely stemming from their ability to playfully engage their fans.